Hey guys, are you want to buy best drone battery charging hubs? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best drone battery charging hubs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Amazier Drone Battery Charging Hubs. This charging hub is an excellent companion for DJI Mini 5 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, and Mini 3 Pro users, offering fast, efficient, and reliable battery management. With a 65W charger, it can fully charge 2 compatible batteries in about 75 minutes, making it ideal for pilots who need quick turnaround times. The smart chip adds peace of mind by providing overvoltage, overcurrent, overpower, and temperature protection, ensuring safe charging every time. A standout feature is the mobile power function. Simply connect a mini-series battery and use the hub's USB port to charge phones or other devices on the go. It also doubles as a protective storage solution, allowing users to check battery status easily by plugging and unplugging. Do note that hibernating batteries must first be awakened on the drone. For best performance, a 60W plus charger is recommended. With its included Type-C cable, solid build, and 12-month warranty, this charging hub delivers convenience and reliability for every drone enthusiast. Now our second product is Top Drone Battery Charging Hubs. This advanced charging hub is a must-have accessory for DJI Mini 5 Pro, Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3 Pro, Mini 3, and Skyrover X1 users, delivering fast, reliable, and versatile power management. It supports simultaneous charging of 3 batteries or a battery plus devices like a DJI remote controller, camera, or iPad via USB-C. With an impressive charging time of just 47 minutes for 3 standard intelligent flight batteries or 72 minutes for the Plus versions, it keeps you flight ready with minimal downtime. Beyond charging, the integrated LED light is surprisingly useful, offering 5 brightness levels and a strobe mode for night operations. The built-in alarm function, featuring SOS sound and lighting modes, adds an extra layer of safety for outdoor or emergency situations. The storage mode is another thoughtful feature, allowing users to charge or discharge batteries to 60 for long-term maintenance. With its included USB-C cable, broad compatibility, and multifunctional design, this hub is an excellent upgrade for any drone pilot. Our third product is Top Drone Battery Charging Hubs. The 200W charging hub for the DJI Mavic 3 series is an outstanding accessory for drone pilots who want faster, smarter, and more efficient power management. Delivering up to 3.5 times faster charging, it powers a single battery to 95 in just 40 minutes or all 3 in only 60 minutes, making it perfect for minimizing downtime during shoots or travel. Its built-in charger and hub design allow you to charge a Mavic 3 battery and another USB-C device simultaneously, whether that's a remote controller, action camera, or smartphone. The added storage mode is a major advantage, automatically charging or discharging batteries to 60 for safer long-term storage, helping extend overall battery life. For on-the-go use, the 100W PD outdoor mode is incredibly practical, letting you power essential devices in the car or during fieldwork without carrying extra chargers, complete with an AC cord, USB-C cable, storage bag, and backed by a 1-year warranty. This fast charger is a reliable and highly efficient upgrade for any Mavic 3 user. Now number 4, Top Drone Battery Charging Hubs. The Matt Rice 4 Series Battery Charging Hub for DJI is a powerful, intelligent, and efficient solution for pilots who need fast, reliable charging. It fully charges 3 batteries in just 1 hour and 50 minutes, helping you get back in the air quickly without long downtimes. The 1.5-inch IPS LCD screen is a standout feature, offering clear visibility of charging parameters, modes, battery status, and even OTA update progress, making the entire process more intuitive. With 3 charging modes, 60 storage mode, 100 full charge mode, and 100 silent mode, this hub adapts perfectly to different needs, from long-term battery care to quiet overnight charging. Each of the 3 battery ports supports up to 180W, and the 36W USB-C port is ideal for powering a controller, phone, or action camera. Safety is top-notch, thanks to smart temperature control, silent cooling, and comprehensive protection against overheating, overvoltage, short circuits, and more. A reliable, professional-grade charging companion for Matt Rice 4T/4E users. And our last choice is Aeroca Drone Battery Charging Hubs. The LCD digital display 2-way charging hub is an excellent companion for Mini 2, Mini SA, and Mini 4K pilots who want a smarter, more organized way to manage their batteries. Its colorful LCD screen is a standout feature, clearly showing each port's charging status, battery voltage, current, percentage, and overall battery health. With each port represented by different colors, monitoring multiple batteries becomes effortless at a glance, offering dual 5V/3A inputs and up to 8.8V/3A output. The hub delivers stable, efficient charging performance. The added 5V/2A USB output also provides convenient power for small devices when needed. The package includes two USB-C charging cables, adding solid value, though batteries, remote controller, and phone cables are not included. One key thing to note: dormant batteries must be activated on the drone before the hub can recognize and charge them. Overall, this hub is reliable, user-friendly, and backed by a 30-day free refund policy, making it a practical upgrade for any Mini 2/Mini/Mini 4K owner. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.